I would advise anybody who would like to learn English, just sign up in ELTA and you will never regret it. I got a lot of knowledge of the English language, and to be taught by native speakers, this is really very beneficial for me.
ELTA is an intensive English language program that focuses on preparing students for academic success as a future undergraduate student or a graduate student at American University or other universities. One of the things that ELTA prides itself in is not only its curriculum but its faculty. Our faculty come from various parts of the United States, from various parts of the world, and all come with a lot of experience.
I want to make sure that my students are getting prepared for their next phase in their education.
It's not only that this program is going to improve your English skill, but also it's going to change your mindset.
Enjoy the experience and don't hesitate to participate in all activities. Don't hesitate to ask your teachers. Just don't lose one single moment in this experience. Enjoy it.
Students from all over the world join us every semester, and we look forward to you joining us as well.